Hello viewers, welcome to the today's 1 minute class. In today's 1 minute class, you will learn how to draw oval shapes using ellipse tool and how to use ellipse tool. As you can see, I have drawn two ellipses using ellipse tool. So you can see that I have one axis which is major one and another axis which is the minor one. You can say it's the height and this one is the width of the ellipse. To draw ellipse, you have two options to select the ellipse tool. You can select the ellipse tool from the draw toolbar. You can come here to the draw toolbar and you will see this point. You have given two options. You are given two options to draw ellipse tool. I can select from here, or simply I can come back to the screen and press EL, which is the shortcut key for the ellipse. So then in the command line, when you see, I am asked to specify the endpoint of the ellipse. When I specify the first endpoint of the ellipse, then it will ask me to specify the other endpoint of the ellipse. So I will specify the other endpoint by clicking anywhere on the screen. When I specify the other endpoint, then the third option I am asked is to specify the axis, another axis or the radius for the minor axis of the ellipse. So I will press 15 and enter. As you can see, we have drawn an ellipse using endpoints and an axis point. Now I will press EL and enter. This time we will draw ellipse using center point. To draw ellipse using center point, you come here to the command line. You can click on the center, or you can press C and enter. When you press C and do enter, you will be asked to specify the center point for your ellipse. I will click here. When I click here, I am asked to specify the end point. I will click anywhere to specify the endpoint of my ellipse. When I click, I will be asked to specify the radius. So this time I will give the radius of 20. So viewers, you can see we have created two ellipses using endpoint and radius or axis, and the other one we drawn using center point, endpoint and axis. So viewers, this was our today's class about ellipse tool. If you have any queries, do leave the comment below.